freedom is a feeling rather than a reality. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can handle life's uncertainty. Financial freedom means different things to different people. For some, it might mean having enough savings to cover all their expenses without needing to work. For others, it could mean being debt-free or having the flexibility to pursue their passions without financial constraints. Essentially, financial freedom is about having the control and flexibility to do what you love without being shackled by financial stress. It's about making choices without the constant worry about how those choices will impact your financial stability. Let's start by defining what financial freedom means for you. Ask yourself, what would your life look like if you were financially free? What would change? Understanding your personal definition is the first step in creating a plan to achieve it. For instance, if financial freedom means having the ability to travel the world without worrying about money, then you need to calculate the amount of money required to sustain such a lifestyle. Alternatively, if it means spending more time with family, then you need to ensure you have sufficient savings and passive income to replace your current job's earnings. Clarity on your goals helps you focus your efforts and resources more effectively. The main goal of financial freedom is to do what you love. It doesn't necessarily mean you're not working. It means you have the choice to engage in activities that fulfill you. Money, in this context, is simply a medium to obtain what you value most in life. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a business, or spending more time with family, financial freedom allows you to prioritize your passions and interests. For example, if you love writing, financial freedom might mean having the luxury to write without the pressure of earning a paycheck. For instance, consider someone who loves painting but works a 9-to-5 job they don't enjoy. Achieving financial freedom would mean they could choose to spend more time painting and less time at a job they dislike. The key is to align your finances with your life goals. Think about what activities you would fill your time with if money were no object. Would you volunteer more, start a hobby, or perhaps pursue higher education? Defining these goals clearly will help you create a focused and realistic financial plan. This alignment ensures that your pursuit of financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth, but about enriching your life. Financial freedom is a feeling rather than a reality. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can handle life's uncertainties. To get there, you need to push and test yourself. Consistency and effort are crucial. Increase the gap between your earnings and spending by focusing on both increasing your income and reducing unnecessary expenditures. This dual approach helps build a robust financial buffer, enhancing your financial security. Adopt an abundant mindset about money. Track your spending, savings, and investments diligently. Build an emergency fund to avoid high-interest debt and invest early to take advantage of compounding interest. Knowing how to read financial statements will empower you to make informed decisions. For example, if you're earning $5,000 a month but spending $4,500, work on either increasing your earnings through side gigs or cutting down unnecessary expenses like dining out or subscription services. This gap between earnings and spending will help you save more and invest in income-generating assets. Tracking your financial progress regularly helps identify areas for improvement and ensures you stay on track. Understanding the different types of income is essential. Active income is earned in exchange for your time and energy, while passive income continues to generate money with minimal effort. Keeping your head in the asset column by investing in income-generating assets is crucial. Avoid holding large amounts of cash, as they lose value due to inflation. Investing in assets like real estate, or even stocks or bonds can provide a steady stream of passive income, supporting your financial freedom goals. Write a realistic budget and categorize your expenditure into fixed costs and variable costs. Get rid of unnecessary spending, such as unused memberships, and pay off debt as it restricts possible savings. Debt, when used correctly, can be a tool, but never gamble with borrowed or necessity money. For example, investing in rental properties can provide passive income through rent payments, whereas keeping large cash reserves will only lose value over time due to prices rising. Writing a detailed budget helps you visualize your financial situation and identify areas where you can cut costs. Categorizing your expenses helps in prioritizing and managing them more effectively. Asking for a raise is vital because if you never ask, the answer is always no. Determine the dollar amount that will make you feel financially free. Improve your money skills by listening to podcasts, reading books, and learning from experts who have been where you are. Surround yourself with like-minded people, as they can uplift and motivate you. For example, if you feel that earning an additional $20,000 a year would make a significant difference in your financial situation, then negotiating a raise or finding additional income streams can help you achieve that target. Improving your financial literacy through continuous education will help you make better financial decisions and stay updated on best practices. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reinforces positive financial habits. It's important to enjoy the journey. Financial freedom is not just about reaching a a final goal, but about creating a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle. The journey will have its challenges, but each step brings you closer to your ideal life. Embrace the process and learn from each experience. If your goal is to travel more, financial freedom might mean setting aside a travel fund that allows you to explore new places without worrying about finances. If starting a business is your dream, financial freedom gives you the ability to invest time and resources into building something you're passionate about. Enjoying the journey means taking time to appreciate the progress you've made and the experiences you gain along the way. This mindset helps maintain your motivation and keeps you focused on your long-term goals. Surround yourself with a supportive community that shares your goals and values. Learning from those who have achieved financial freedom can provide invaluable insights and motivation. Engaging with a community can keep you accountable and inspired. Remember, financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating a life that aligns with your values and passions. As you progress, you'll find that the journey itself is rewarding and fulfilling. For example, joining a group of like-minded individuals who are also working towards financial freedom can provide support, accountability, and new ideas for managing and growing your wealth. Building a network of supportive individuals helps you stay focused and motivated. Embrace the process of continuous learning and self-improvement. Financial freedom is a dynamic goal that evolves as you grow and your circumstances change. Stay adaptable and open to new opportunities. Keep learning and adapting your strategies to ensure long-term success. Address people's concerns and provide solutions that improve their lives. This not only helps others, but also enhances your value, potentially leading to greater financial rewards. For instance, if you find a way to solve a common financial problem for others, such as creating a budgeting app, you can generate income while helping others achieve their financial goals. By continuously improving and adapting, you stay relevant and valuable in the ever-changing financial landscape. Join us as we continue to explore and share the secrets of achieving financial freedom. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate your financial journey confidently and successfully. By following these principles and strategies, you can create a life of financial independence and personal fulfillment. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we'll master the art of financial freedom and create lives filled with purpose and fulfillment.